How to use a pallet jack. You've probably seen these. At some point you're gonna need to use one. What you do is you slide the forks underneath the pallet. Some people call it a skid. And then you just pump it up and down. Make sure the handle is in the right position for pumping. So make sure it's pushed all the way down. And then you just pump. And now your load is elevated, and then you can drag it wherever you need to go. It can take a while to get the hang of moving it around, and especially if you're pushing it forward. Now to drop your load, you have to lift the handle all the way up and hold it there. And then make sure, sometimes the wheels get stuck, and then you can't pull the forks out if you go too low. So you just want to go like middle.